Hello bestie, welcome to Dee-wise craft channel. So today we are tying a very simple center knot gele, and as usual we need our gele and some office pin. So we need to divide our gele into equal size. That is 50-50. It has to be equal. Then the next thing, we make some pleats, like 4 to 5 pleats. Make 4 to, after placing it on my head, I will secure it in the middle so that I can arrange the pleats neatly before extending it to the side. So after arranging it in the middle, then you pleat it neatly. You extend the pleat to the side. I'll pleat the other side also. So after pleating, this is what we'll have. After pleating, you go ahead to make a crease one of the gele and make 4 pleats. I'll make 4 pleats and extend the pleat. Let me extending the pleat. I'll keep that under my arm, then I'll grab the other gele and do the same thing. I'll make 4 pleats. Now I'll go ahead and extend the pleats. So after making the pleats, I will lift that 4 pleats above the last pleat on my head. I'll place it, then arrange it properly like a continuation. Then I will stop at the middle. I will still arrange it, those 4 pleats that I brought to the front. I will arrange it, then at the length area from the middle, I will just gather the fabric and stop at the middle. I'll do the same thing for the other side. That 4 pleats that we made, I'll just lift it up and bring it to the middle of the head, to the center. So I'm arranging my pleat. Then at the tip from the middle, I'll gather the ashoke up until where those 4 pleats are. So I'll secure both. Then I'll go ahead and make a tie. I'll make a knot at the center. It has to be neat because that is the design of this gele. That is where the design lies. So the center knot has to be looking good. So after tying it, I just spread it a little and take it back. And take that hand back. So I will join both this one coming from the front and the one I used to tie it. I'll just twist both of them. I twist it and just tack it with the gele that covers the hair. I'll just tack it with an office pin. I'll try as much as possible to secure it very well with office pin. I can use like 2 or 3 just to secure it well. Okay, so this is what we have. Then I'll go ahead and grab one side of the gele. I will grab and make from the lower part. I will make some pleats. And that's me still adjusting those 4 pleats. So from the back, I will make pleats. I will pleat until I'm done with all the fabric. Then trace those pleats to the front, to the center. it's just pleating. Then I'll do the same thing for the other side. The second hand, I'll make pleat, 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 trace it to the center. So that's just the design is just the knot in the middle and the pleat to the center. So while making the pleat, I'll be tracing it to the center of the gele. That's just the design of this gele, the knot and the pleat that will be coming to the center of the gele. So I'll try and form it in an oval shape so that it will give that elongated shape. So I'll just at the tip from the top, I'll just make like a circle with the gele. Then I'll secure it at the back of that knot. I will secure it at the back of that knot. After making like a circle from the tip, I'll make a circle and tack it with an office pin to that center knot. So I'll still go ahead and adjust my pleat, tracing it to the middle. After making the pleat, I'll trace it in the middle. Then I also grab the second gele, second hand from the tip. I will make like a circle. I'll make like a circle from the tip and then tack it. This time around, this one is not coming down. I'll tack it to the first pleat at the top. So the rest of the design is just to pleat towards the middle so as to make like an oval shape. That is the design. So it's just pleating, trying to make some pleat. But sometimes if you are unable to make like solid pleat, it will still be beautiful because the middle will look like a ruffle. It will look like something like a ruffle, which is another design. So the main thing is to get the knot at the center. Then the remaining fabric, you just trace it to the middle, make some pleat to the middle, to the center, to make that shape, to bring out the oval shape. So it's just me trying to make my pleat, and it's better not to make too much pleat so that the less pleat, the higher the design will give you. So that middle, sometimes we can make it like ruffles, just to add beauty to it. So after that, then I push the gele backward a little, just to make it relax and to give it some fitting. So until you are satisfied, you keep adjusting, you keep making your pleat. If there is opening anywhere, you try and fix it by using your pin. Then at the back, if you want your hair cover, you pack in your hair, or anyhow you want it at the back. And there we have a simple centre-knotgele. It's a very good style to rock to any party. It's a party gele, it's a conventional gele style. So I hope you've been able to learn one or two things from this video. Please don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and send it or tag someone that might be useful, that this gele style, this tutorial might be useful for. So please go ahead and share this video with them so that they can also learn or gain one or two from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Also subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.